Oops. There I am. Hi, you guys. It's Jane. How are you doing? From Surface Anthology and Chalk Mercantile. I wanted to pop on today and show you guys what I just got in, and I'm really excited about it. And it's been quite a wait. Before I do that, I'm going to remind you again to join the Painted Cottage Facebook group. And if you see behind me those houses, that's what our group workshop is going to be, our collaborative workshop. It's called It Takes a Village, and we're all going to be painting these little houses. Our own take on it though, different techniques, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So join us over in the Painted Cottage Facebook group. All right, you guys, with no further ado, I got in my first shipment of the new Miss Mustard Seed products. So these are newly branded. They're made in the United States now. They're new formulas. There's just a whole bunch of newness, new sizes, and I'm really excited. So let me just go through them so you know what I have in stock. To shop with me, you go to chalkmercantile.com, and just click on Miss Mustard Seed, and you'll see the products in there. The colors, I have the new formulas of colors I put on there, the color, and it says new formula. So you'll be able to tell the difference. All right. First thing in is the Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Coat, it's called. So this is the one that I got in, is the No Sheen Matte. So completely matte. It's my first one. Hey, Joni, how you doing? Happy Monday. Welcome to my show and tell, Joni. Joni, by the way, you guys, her company or her business is called Weathered Wings. She's one of the other decorative painters, one of the other instructors that are going to be teaching in the Painted Cottage. So again, go over and join the Facebook group. All right, so we've got the Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Coat. So this is a poly top coat. And the one that I got in first is the No Sheen Matte, because that's what I like. I haven't tried it yet. I'm really excited. So, you can look forward to me doing some tutorials with all the new products. So I've got that in. I've got in the new Miss Mustard Seed Clear Wax in the 4-ounce size. These are really cute. I'm really excited to try it because wax is where my heart's at. That's how I like to finish my furniture, though I've been known to use polys also. So this is a Carnauba beeswax blend, and I am really excited to try it. So we've got, oh my God, I actually showed you a different one. Oh, and Joni's shipping too. We're shipping. I do have a bunch of orders that I have to ship. They won't go out today because it's Martin Luther King Day. Happy Martin Luther King, everybody. So they'll be going out tomorrow. All right, so I've got the clear wax, but the other one I'm really excited to show you. This is the Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Wax Eco. So this is very cool. This is a food contact safe wax. So you'll be able to use this in the kitchen and not have to worry about anything because it's food safe. So I've got that in too, and the color is natural. I've got her antiquing wax, Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Wax Antiquing. And again, I'll be doing some tutorials so you could see the color, but it's, from what I could tell from the jar, it's just a really beautiful, cooler brown, which I really like. All right, I showed you that. Oh, and the other one is Grime Gray, Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Wax Grime Gray. And look at that. Super excited to try this out. So I've got that in. And look at these. I'm dying how cute these are. This is the little, they're absolutely adorable. And I saw the picture and I didn't realize of course it's 8 ounces, but it's so adorable how tiny they are. They're like miniature creamers. But this is the milk oil. So this is the indoor hemp seed oil, which I absolutely love. I do use hemp seed a lot. So I can't wait to break into the new one. So we've got that in. And then I wanted to show you guys, this is the new packaging. So this is the quart. This is the quart size of the milk paint. And here's the new pint size. So look at that. My nickname in, God, I think it was junior high or high school was half pint. But this is a full pint. So look at that. And of course, this one, and I did some tutorials with Artissimo, one of my favorite Miss Mustard Seeds color. The new name for it is Ink Blue. So that is like one of my absolute favorite blues. So there's the quart, and here's the pint, and then hold on to your hats. Look at how adorable the new little samples are. And these are 2 tablespoons inside these little sample bags. And I got in typewriter, I've got an ink blue, grain sack, Miss Mustard Seed yellow, half pint. Joni, I'm 4'11", and I was a little tiny thing back in the day. But look at this yellow. It's really, really beautiful. So I got in all the colors that were available. One of my most popular ones is Ironstone, and I also got in Farmhouse White and Curio. Farmhouse White and Curio. So super jazzed about that. Joni, I have to tell you guys, where else could you meet a bunch of painters from all over the country and all over the world? We have somebody in our group from England too. Then online, right? It's so cool. Joni is down in Alabama. I'm up in Connecticut. And she's going to let other people know about one of my many nicknames. One of them was Calamity Jane, Half Pint, Bunny. I'll tell you all about that. It's because of a coat I used to wear. This was back in junior high, was the 70s. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Can you believe it, Joni? But anyway, you guys, I'm really excited about all the new Miss Mustard Seed things. I actually just spent 2 hours entering them on the Chalk Mercantile site, so they're all there. Check them out. Any questions, please ask me in the comments. I'm super jazzed. I'll be on every day this week. And actually, I'm going to try to go live every single day as long as I can stand it. So all these new products give me new stuff to talk about, to try to create some little tutorials. So that's it, you guys. Have a wonderful day and happy painting. See you soon. Oh, and don't forget to join the Painted Cottage Facebook group. All right, you guys. Bye-bye. Bye, Joni.